Earlier I was surprised by the hazel trees that were already quite advanced, but I see that the daffodils are even further along. They've already come well out of the ground and are ready to bloom. As my grandmother used to say, there are no more seasons. Because of the Sputniks, that's what my grandmother used to say. The bridge I'm about to go under was excavated again quite recently. I think it's absolutely magnificent. Let's hope there aren't any idiots who come and tag it again. There are still some jerks out there, the taggers. Me, I could never deface someone else's property. Everyone has their own opinion on the matter. Group from Beatrice in Montreal. Please do not hesitate to join me as we discuss some trail. And I really look forward to seeing you again very soon.